Greetings to everyone. My name is Maria Lunila Udbina Makanlalay. Just call me Malu for short. And I am Tess' sister. Today, we are gathered with heavy hearts to celebrate the life of our truly remarkable woman, a sister, a friend, and a daughter. Tess or Neneng, I always call her, was more than just a sister to me. She was confidant, my partner, and my rock through thick and thin. She had laugh that could light up a room and a heart full of compassion. And I will forever cherish those memories we shared. Tess and I were inseparable. We countless hours playing at the back of our house in Cavite City, like lutu-lutuan, hide and seek, tumbang preso, and etc. There were the days of pure, unadulterated fun, and I'm so grateful for these formative years. She was known for her like a mother or an eldest siblings. She don't want any one of us feel oppressed. She has a big heart to help. She is kind, generosity, and with a sense of humor. She always had a way of making everyone feels welcome, offering a helping hand. Her ability to showing love, find joy in a simple things, connect with people was truly inspiring. Even in recent times, when I and my sister Ate Dina visited her, Tess continued to be a source of strength and joy, especially when she brought us to Disneyland. It is my first time to be there. We are so happy walking, riding inside Pinocchio, Snow White, Daffy Duck, Star Wars. And she always telling us that Jesus Christ appeared to her above the sky near the palm tree. Now, I know the reason why I came to America, just to be with her for 2 weeks. And she is still begging us not to go home by January 19 back to San Francisco. Instead, make it at the end of January 30. But we cannot stay long during that time. Our flight back to Manila was on February 3, 2025. Today, we mourn the loss of our truly special person, but we also celebrate the life she lived and the love she shared. To her son and daughter and husband, Maria Teresita Perea Odbina Nazareno, you will be forever BH in our hearts. Though you may be gone, your spirit will live on through the memories we shared and the love you inspired. Rest in peace, my dear sister Neneng. We love you always, till we meet again.